What is good? My name is Christian Justin, and today something arrived in the mail which I am pretty hyped about. This is one of Deity's, or however you say the name. This is their new microphone, the V-Mic D4 Duo. And probably the best thing for me anyway is I didn't even pay for this mic. I actually won a Kai W giveaway. If you somehow don't know who Kai W is, you should really go check him out. If you're looking for camera reviews, he will just give it you straight up. He doesn't mess about, he just says it how it is. So anyway, yeah, go check him out. For me, this is just a test really. It's kind of a first look or first listen at how this mic performs. As you can see, the mic is actually really small. Now with this mic, I really wouldn't use it in a professional setting. Maybe an interview shot in a very quiet room would work, but I'd probably say that this mic is more featured towards the YouTube vlogger or small camera channels just like myself. One of the great things about this mic is when it comes straight out of the box, it comes with a dead cat. Now a dead cat is the fluffy thing that you see over most people's mics, and basically what they do is they just help dampen the wind noise. But this mic doesn't come with just one, it comes with two, and there's a special reason for that. So this mic is a shotgun mic, and a shotgun means it is a directional mic. It will pick up the audio in the direction that it's facing. But this mic captures two directions, the audio from in front of the camera and also the audio from behind the camera, which is why I'd probably say it's better for vloggers. So when you're in front of the camera, it will pick up what you're saying. But if you were to turn the camera and have a conversation with someone else, it will pick up their audio and also yours as well. And if you don't want to use that feature and have it as just a directional mic in front of the camera, then you can just turn it off with a button on top of the mic. Or you can just keep it capturing both audios at once. And then when you get into post-production, you can just delete the layer because it captures each direction of audio as a different layer, which I think is just a really handy thing to have, and I don't know any other mic companies that have done that. And the price of this mic is only £100. It's a bit more expensive than a couple of the Rode mics you can get, but for me personally, I think the quality is a little bit better, especially compared to the old Rode Video Mic Go, I think it is, that I used to use. I did only get that one for £40, but the quality of that was a bit crap. Anyways guys, this is a short one today. I'm just going to leave it here, but what do you think of the audio quality? Do you think that this mic is worth £100? Just let me know down below. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe just for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.